Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on your Ram 3500. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, 12 quarts of the recommended engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Always ensure your truck is on a level surface and the engine is warm but not hot to allow the oil to drain efficiently. Safety first, so wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful oil change. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Slide your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which might take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area and replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh filter. The oil filter is typically on the side of the engine block. Place your drain pan underneath it, as some oil will spill. Unscrew the old filter counterclockwise. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate your oil filler cap, usually on top of the engine, and carefully pour in the 12 quarts of new, clean engine oil. After adding, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with your dipstick. It should be between the add and full marks. Start your truck, let it run for a minute, and check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Don't forget to reset your oil life monitor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.